I've actually been growing my hair for almost 5 years now. It will be 5 years in November 2025, and here are 5 things that I've learned over these years. Hi, my name is Joy, aka your favorite hair coach. Stay tuned, you don't want to miss this at all. So the first thing is I decided to prioritize health over length, meaning I was more intentional about having healthy hair as opposed to the length, right? There's a saying that goes health over length. So that was what I prioritized, and lo and behold, the moment my hair was extremely healthy, the length started coming in. And another thing is I learned how to retain this length. So first off, your hair is growing. Unlike popular notion that, oh, our hair is not growing, our hair is static, black girls don't really grow long hair and all of that. That is so false. Your hair is actually growing, but the issue is length retention. Now in this video, you can see that I am taking down my protective style. The way you take down your protective style really matters. You need to have your spray bottle with water. You need to have your leave-in conditioner so that you can have moisture while taking down the protective style. Reason why you need moisture is that you will prevent hair breakage, and the less your hair breaks, the more length you would see. So over the years, once your hair is healthy and you're able to take down your protective style well to prevent breakage, and also when you want to detangle, you apply moisture again so that you don't break off your ends, you would see the length. Another point is investing in DIYs. I discovered this so late. That's the rosemary oil I was using, the rosemary water, and so on. I wish that I actually discovered DIYs much earlier. I'm sure my hair would have been way longer than this. So what DIY does for you is it stimulates hair growth. So if you are to grow like half an inch a month, your DIYs could actually give you way more than half an inch if you use it judiciously and you use it well. Don't use too much of the product, because anything that is too much is not good for your hair. So you need to invest in DIYs. Another point is you need to do like Prepoo treatment. It might not be every month, but you need to incorporate it in your routine. Your Prepoo could actually be your aloe vera gel to coat your hair. You can actually use like hot oil treatment and so on. Just ensure that your hair is coated before your wash day routine. You could also invest in flaxseed gel, Prepoo treatment, and so on. They are like a lot. Moving on, the use of heat. I was so intentional about not using heat on my hair because heat could be damaging. And if at all you have to use heat, ensure you use heat protectant, because you don't want to experience heat damage. I know some people that would come and say, oh, my hair has experienced heat damage because I was using too much heat on my hair and I was not using heat protectant. So whatever you do, ensure you use little or no heat on your hair at all. I, for one, I can actually count the number of times I've used heat on my hair. That's because I seldom use it, right? Moving on, try as much as possible to love and care for your hair like you would a young lad or a young baby. Care for it. It is your own. Whatever does not have care will not thrive. If you don't care for something, it will just end up showing that it is lacking in love, and it will not show like visible growth or results. So you need to care for your hair as much as possible. Moving on, invest in good products. I cannot overemphasize this enough. Invest in good hair care products, ranging from your shampoo to your deep conditioner, leave-in conditioner, your hair masks, your hair cream. Every other thing you use, your DIYs should be very good. If you know that your rosemary water has stayed too long and is possibly having like foul smell or something, discard it and do a new one. There is no need holding on to something that is not good for your hair. I see some people say, oh, I have kept this water for like 6 months, 8 months and the rest. Why are you still holding on to it? Do another one and ensure that you use it on your scalp, your hair, whatnot. Because if you're using products that are not good or products that are expired, it can have adverse effect on your hair. Let me just give you guys like a short story. So the reason why I transitioned to natural hair was because I used like almost expired hair products on my hair, and my hair was breaking rapidly. Then I was on relaxed hair though. It was breaking beyond measures. Like anytime I'm detangling my hair, I see bits and pieces of my hair on the floor, like a lot of it. So with that, my hair was getting shorter and shorter, and I just had no choice but to just transition and start afresh. So if you don't want to experience that, Don't use a product that is almost expired or product that is expired, because the result or the damage it will cause is something that you would not like at all. So just run very far from products that have expired. I know you use money to buy it, your money might go to a waste and all of that, but would you rather a damage that would cost you a whole lot more than the product you want to use? Just think about it. Moving on, scalp massages. Scalp massage will help you to stimulate hair growth. It will stimulate blood flow that would in turn promote hair growth. So whatever you do, ensure that you incorporate scalp massages to your routine. It goes a long way. And also, I've tried my possible best to ensure that I do the right things for my hair. I try my best, like low manipulative hairstyles, like your mini twist, your mini braids, and so on. Incorporate it into your routine and you will see like a tremendous change in every single thing that you do. You need to try as much as possible to do what is right for your hair. Low manipulative hairstyle has helped me to retain length. It has helped me to manipulate my hair less, and also it has helped me to grow out healthy long bouncy hair. So if you want to do hairstyles that would give you something good, ensure that you incorporate low manipulative hairstyles. Try as much as possible to minimize hairstyles that will cause damage to your edges. Anything that will cause damage to your edges, frequent use of gel, wax, and all of that would actually be damaging to your edges. Ensure that you use products that are moisturizing, products that will stimulate hair growth, and products that would be very beneficial to your hair in general. Also, you are what you eat. Eat healthy food, fruits, veggies, incorporate it. Take balanced diet, because what you eat from inside will reflect on your hair, skin, and your nails. So you don't want a situation whereby you are eating junk food and you are looking for healthy hair. I don't know how you want that to work. You need to be healthy from within so that it will reflect, right? Our hair is primarily made of keratin, so you need to take lots of protein so that it will also give you like strong, healthy hair. You get me? So these are just basically the things I have learned in my almost 5 years of being natural. Natural hair is beautiful. Can't you see how luscious my first year actually is? It is so beautiful. So if you know that you want your hair to thrive, incorporate these things. Learn these things I have mentioned. Keep it in your heart and move on with it. I also have an ebook that can help you to navigate through your hair growth or hair journey in general. The link is in the description box. Ensure that you click it to get your ebook so that you get more answers to your question. And in the ebook you have like a detailed routine on what to do on your hair, starting from your installation of protective style to the takedown of your protective style, your wash day routine, how to get rid of dandruff, how to grow out your edges if you've lost them, how to just stimulate growth in general, right? So enjoy the rest of the video and I will see you guys in my next.